Hi, Laurie Penney here with Team Blue. Have you heard about the MassDREAMS program? Well, it's a $50,000 grant that does not require repayment that the state of Massachusetts is offering for home buyers. So we are going to be hosting a workshop for you, any buyers out there that want to learn more about that, or maybe even some other programs out there that might fit you, that are grant programs. The workshop is going to be a Wednesday from 6 to 7 p.m. On November 30th, and it's at 279 Cambridge Street in Burlington, and that is DaMore Law. And it will be my team there. Team Blue will be there, and also James Driscoll from Mortgage Equity Partners will be there. He'll be able to answer all your questions on that, and we'll go over the program with you. So if you're interested and you just want to kind of get a jump start on things and see what other things are out there, but there is this big grant program that is offering right now. So if you're someone interested and maybe thinking of buying a house in the near future, I would suggest highly going to this workshop, no free of charge. Thanks.